Good afternoon, children. Okay, so in this period also, we are going to do few questions from partial fraction, integration by partial fraction. Okay, in which case, okay, in which situation we'll be able to do integration by partial fraction? In which situation we'll be able to do integration by partial fraction? Yes, Gauri.
Degree of f of x less than degree of g of x.
Okay, first of all, it should be a rational function. And degree of the numerator must be less than degree of denominator. In that case, we will be able to integrate the function by using partial fraction. Okay, and that day we did 1 or 2 questions. 1 or 2 questions, I think we did. Okay, now let's do few more questions. The thing you have to, okay, remember that we can integrate by using partial fraction only if degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. In that case, we can integrate by using partial fraction. If not, what do you have to do? We have to do the long division. You have to do long division. We have learned long division in lower class. So we'll be doing the long division and we have to do. Write the question. Integrate x 8 by x plus 2 into x square plus 4 into dx. Integrate x by 8 by, sorry, not 8 by x plus 2 into x square plus 4 into dx. So now look at here. So whenever we are given a function like this, first you name this as I. I is equal to. Okay. And look at here. Numerator we have 8. 8 means constant, isn't it? 8 we can take it as common outside. So it is 8 into integral of 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 4 into dx. Now look at the numerator. What is the degree of the numerator? What is the degree of the numerator? Constant function means degree of the numerator is 0. What about the denominator? What's the degree of the denominator?
3.
3. So it satisfies that condition. Degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. If it is like that, we can write it to partial fractions. Okay. So listen all of you. 1 by, I'm taking the function inside the, so 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 4. Look at here. If you take the first factor, it is a linear factor. It is a linear factor. So for a linear factor, how we can write? We can write this as a by x plus 2. Here also the condition must be satisfied. Which condition? Degree of the numerator must be 1 less than the degree of the denominator. A linear means degree is 1. So in the numerator, I take only the constant a. Plus, look at the next one, x square plus 4. Is it possible to factorize x square plus 4? Is it possible to factorize x square plus 4? Srihari, is it possible to factorize x square plus 4? Is it possible?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you factorize?
I don't know.
When you said yes, it is possible. What about x square minus 4? Is it possible to factorize? X square minus 4. Srihari, can you factorize x square minus 4?
Yes.
Yes. How?
X plus 4, x plus 2, x minus 2.
X plus 2 into x minus 2. What about x square plus 4? Is it possible? No. Okay, we can't do it. Okay, we'll not be able to factorize that one. Is it clear? Why we are not able to do? Because of the form a square plus b square. If it is a square minus b square, we can use the identity a plus b into a minus b. Here we can't factorize it. So we will be writing it as such. So if you take the denominator, so denominator is x square plus 4. We want to find the numerator. So the numerator must be, denominator is linear means, what about the numerator? Sorry, denominator is quadratic means, look at the numerator. If it is degree 2, here we should write a linear equation. So I write bx plus c. Is it clear? Degree of the numerator must be 1 less than the degree of the denominator. If it is a linear, we write simply constant. If it is quadratic, what we should write in the numerator? Linear. Already we selected A, so you can write B and C. If you want, you can write Px plus Q. Some linear form you have to write. Is it clear? Where A, B, C are the constants we want to find. A, B, C are the constants we have to find. Okay. So next step, here we'll take the LCM. What is the LCM here? X plus 2 into x square plus 4. With A, we will multiply x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. Bx plus c into x plus 2. Here we get 1 by x plus 2 into x square plus 4. X plus 2 into x square plus 4. Okay, so now when you compare it, we will get 1 is equal to, denominator will get cancelled. So 1 is equal to a into x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 2. We have to find the constants a, b and c. Okay, earlier what we did in the previous questions and all, look at the questions what we discussed earlier, how we solved it. We substituted the value of x, isn't it? We put x as 1. When we put x as 1, some factor will become 0. So we are able to find the other factor. Is or no? Because in that case, we got linear factors. When you put x is 1, 2 of the factor will become 0. One factor will not be 0. And accordingly, we selected. Now look at here. What you can substitute here. Like this. Here, what you can substitute. What we can substitute here? X plus 2 is there. Is or no? X plus 2. So what we can put? You put x is equal to minus 2. If you consider the linear factor, if you put x is minus 2, here nothing is there. So 1 is equal to a into minus 2 square plus 4 plus b into minus 2 plus c into, here minus 2 plus 2, it will become 0. This one will become 0. Therefore, we get 1 is equal to 8a. Therefore, what is a? A is 1 by 8. A is equal to 1 by 8. If okay, so A we got. Now we want to find B and we have to find C. How will you do this? How will you find A? A we got, B and C we have to find. So listen children, here we are using the method of equating the coefficients. Okay, I'm going to equate the coefficients of x square. Equating the coefficients of x square. So in LHS, we don't have x square term. In LHS, no x square term is there. So we can write 0 is equal to. If you take RHS, here we have ax square. So we will get the coefficient as a. Plus, we take, when we multiply bx with x, we will get bx square. So again, the coefficient is b. A plus b. Coefficient means only that number we consider. Okay, we are not taking that variable. So when we equate the coefficient of x square, this side no x square term. So we write 0 is equal to, here it is a plus b. Therefore, what is b? B is equal to minus a. So b is equal to minus 1 by 8. B is minus 1 by 8. Now we have to find c. For finding c, what we can do? C is the constant term, isn't it? So what we can do? If you want, we can equate constant terms. Equating the constant terms. Constant means the term without x. So equating the constant terms, here we get 1 is equal to, 1 is equal to, here we will get 4a, 1 is equal to 4a. Here when you b, if you take x is there, so no use. If you take c into x means it is not constant, but c into 2 you will get 4a plus 2c. Is it clear? Is it okay? Children, tell me, up to this, is it okay? Rijas, Srihari, we equate the constant term. What is meant by constant term? The term without x. So in LHS, the term without x is 1. If you take RHS, x square, a into x square plus 4 into a. 4 into a is a constant. Similarly, if you expand the next term, bx, already x is there. So there is no use in taking bx. You take c. c into x is again x term. c into 2, you'll get 2c. Are you okay? Is it okay, Punya? Achyut? Aditya? Nandana? Aryan? Ashwin? Ashwin, now only a job. Yes?
Ma'am, could you explain the constant part again?
Constant part means what we are doing here. The term without x. The term without x. Okay, if you look at LHS, in LHS, which is the term without x? So here it is 1. So we write 1 is equal to, 1 is equal to. Again, if you take RHS, if you take a with x square, it is x square term. Constant means without x. If you take a with 4, we will get 4a. So 4a is a term without x. Plus, again, if you take bx, already x is there. So if you multiply with any other term, surely we will not get constant. Now you take the constant c. c into x means you'll get cx, which is not constant. With the c, if you multiply 2, you'll get 2c, which is the constant. So we write 1 is equal to 4a plus 2c. Is it okay, Nandana?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, our aim is to find c. c is equal to plus 4a, if you take it to other side, 1 minus 4a. So which is equivalent to 1 minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 1 by 8. So we get 2c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 means it is 1 by 2. Therefore, c is 1 by 4. C value is 1 by 4. Okay. So now we got A, B, and C. Once you find all the constants, once we find all the constants, substitute it. We have to substitute in the equation. In which equation? This equation you have to substitute. This is how we split the numerator, isn't it? Okay, can substitute in that equation. Okay, we can substitute in this equation. We can substitute here. So when we substitute it here, listen children, don't write, listen all of you. So listen, so what happens to I? I is equal to 8 into integral of. So this function only we split. Okay, this function we split this as a by x plus 2. A is 1 by 8 by x plus 2 plus bx plus c. What is the value of b we got here? What is the value of b? Yes, what is the value of b?
Minus
Negative 1 by 8.
Minus b is negative 1 by 8, isn't it? And c is 1 by 4. Okay. So plus b is negative 1 by 8x plus c. C is 1 by 4 by x square plus 4 into dx. Up to this step, is it okay? After finding a, b, and c, instead of the function inside the integral, we split this and we write like this. Is it okay? Sanya, Naureen, is it Gayatri? Listen, Gayatri. I think in the last class you are not there. In order to find A, B, C, we should try to make the other things 0. Okay, here we have x plus 2. So if I put x is minus 2, this term as a whole will become 0. That is why we substituted that x is equal to minus 2. In order to make that term 0, we have one linear factor. So linear factors are there means you try to make it a 0 by assigning some value. So when you put x as minus 2, this term will become 0. But here whenever we get x square term, it is not possible to put some value and make it 0. Because whenever we square, the negative term also will become positive. So for a linear term, we can substitute. Put x is minus 2, x is 1, like that we can do it for linear. Now children, up to this, is it okay? Up to this part, is it clear? So now I am going to split this into the 3 integrals. 8 is common for all. So 8 into integral of 1 by 8 by x plus 2 plus 8 is common for the next term. 8 into minus 1 by 8x by x square plus 4. Is it okay? Plus 8 into integral of 1 by 4 by x square plus 4. What we are doing here? We are making it into parts, smaller parts. Actually, in the beginning, we are given with a big function. What we do? We apply the method of partial fractions and make it into smaller parts. So now here, first we take this first term, 8 into 1 by 8 by x plus 2. 8 into minus 1 by 8 by x square plus 4. 8 into 1 by 4 by x square plus 4. So here, 8 into 1 by 8, integral of 1 by x plus 2 into, whenever we write integral symbol, we have to write dx, okay, into dx, minus 8 into 1 by 8, x by x square plus 4 into dx, plus 8 into 1 by 4, integral of 1 by x square plus 4 into dx. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Up to this part, is it okay? We split this into smaller parts. Now, 8 and 8 will get cancelled. It is same as integral of 1 by x plus 2 into dx. Again, here 8 will get cancelled, minus integral of x by x square plus 4 into dx, plus 2 into integral of 1 by x square plus 4 into dx. Up to that splitting part, is it okay? In this method, that is in partial fraction and all, mostly you have to check whether the derivative of denominator is in numerator. Most of the cases you will get like this. Either the derivative of denominator will be in the numerator or integral of 1 by x square plus a square. We have learned some set of formulas. 1 by x square plus a square. That formulas you have to use. Okay. So look at the first term. Look at the first term. 1 by x plus 2. What you can see? What will be the answer? Whether the derivative of denominator is in the numerator. What is the derivative of x plus 2? Derivative of x, 1. So we can write this as log of x plus 2 minus, look at the next term, x square plus 4. What is the derivative of x square plus 4? Emmanuel, what is the derivative of x square plus 4? What is the derivative? 2x, isn't it? 2x plus 0. But here we have x. 2 is missing. So what we can do? We can multiply and divide by 1, 2. Okay. Only 2 is not there. So what we can do? We can multiply and divide by 1, 2. So now look at here. Whether the derivative of denominator is in numerator now. Look, check here. Whether the derivative of denominator is in the numerator. What is the derivative of x square? 2x plus 4. Is it correct? Atul? Atul?
Yes,
so what is the answer?
log x square by 4.
Very good. Log x square plus 4 minus half log x square plus 4. Here constant is not there means we can multiply and divide by it. Plus 2 into, what about the next term? Punya, Can you try that one? Integral of x square plus 4. 1 by x square plus 4. Which formula you can use here?
1 by x square plus a square.
Very good. Integral of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the answer? 1 by a. Tan inverse of x by a. So here we have 4. 4 means we can write this as 2 square, isn't it? So 1 by a. Tan inverse of x by a. X by 2 plus c. Achyut, is it clear? So, Achyut,
Yes, ma'am.
it is half log x plus 2 minus half log x square plus 4. This one will get cancelled. Plus tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? So we are given a big function, we integrate it, and then we do it by using partial fraction. Is it okay, children? Is it clear? Michael? Michael? Sania? Yes, Michael? Michael? That question, is it clear? Sania? Okay, what about Michael? Can't hear anything, Michael. Turn on your video. Is it okay? The previous question, is it clear? Now write the next one. Write the next question. Integral of, okay, next one is a big question, lengthy question we are going to do. integral of 1 by x into x raised to 4 minus 1 into dx. Integral of 1 by x into x square minus x raised to 4 minus 1 into dx. 1 by x into x raised to 4 minus 1 into dx. Till now we got square and all. Now look at here, 4th degree plus 1 more. So 5th degree. Okay, how to do this? How to do this? Yes. Is it possible to factorize any of the terms there? Which one we can factorize? If we can factorize means tell me which one we are able to factorize. Which one? Yes, Gayatri. Which one we can factorize? 1 by x into x raised to 4 minus 1. How we can factor?
X raised to 4 minus.
X raised to, very good. We can, okay, write this x raised to 4 minus 1 as x square the whole square minus 1 square. Is or no? So it takes the form a square minus b square. So again we can split this as 1 by x into x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. Okay. Now once again we can split this as 1 by x into x square minus 1 means x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1 into dx. So how many factors are here? We have 4 factors here, isn't it? Okay. So what we can do? Okay, by using partial fractions, how many factors are here? And look at the condition, is it satisfied? Degree of the numerator is less than degree of the denominator. It is true, isn't it? So you take the term inside the x into x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. We can write this as a by x plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x minus 1. Look at the next one. Last factor is a quadratic factor. So I'll write dx plus e by x square plus 1. The remaining factors are all linear factors. So we write the numerator simply a constant. But look at the last factor. It is a quadratic. We write that as dx plus e by x square plus 1. So our aim is to find this a, b, c, d and e. So what we can do? Here we take the LCM. X into x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Like what we do with the numbers, method is same. Like 1 into 1 by x into x plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1. So with a, we have to multiply. With a, we have to multiply. Only with a, we have only x. So we will be multiplying with all the other terms. Is that no? So we get x plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1. X plus 1, x minus 1, x square plus 1. Plus b into, with b, x into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. Plus c into x into x plus 1 into x square plus 1. Plus d into, with d what you will get? Dx plus e into, with dx plus e we have to multiply the other terms. X into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Is it okay? We want to find a, b, c, d and e. We have to find 5 constants here. We have to find the 5 constants. Now what happened? The denominator will get cancelled. So we get 1 is equal to a into x plus 1, x minus 1 into x square plus 1, plus b into x minus 1, x square plus 1, plus c x into x plus 1 into x square plus 1, plus dx plus e into x plus 1 into x square plus 1. X square plus 1? No, it is x minus 1, isn't it? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Now, our aim is to find A, B, C, D, E. So look at the factors. Gayatri, look at here. We have some linear factors here. X plus 1, x minus 1 and all we have. So what we can do, if we have linear factors, we can assign some values for that. Okay, 1 is equal to this much. So what you can do, we can put x is equal to minus 1. We can substitute x is equal to minus 1. So when you put x is minus 1, what happens? When you put x is minus 1, LHS will be 1 equal to A into here minus 1 plus 1. So it will become 0. Plus, look at the next term. There is no x plus 1 term, isn't it? So when we put x as minus 1, b into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 the whole square plus 1. Plus c into, with c, if you put minus 1 plus 1, it will become 0. Again, if you take dx plus e, if you put minus 1, that one also will become 0. So we get 1 is equal to, first term will become 0, b into minus 1 into minus 2 into 2. So that is 1 is equal to minus 1 into minus 2, 2 into 2 is 4b. Therefore, what is b? B is 1 by 4. The value of b is 1 by 4. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Now you assign the next value. You put x is equal to 1. Now you put x is equal to 1. And you put x is equal to 1, what happens? First term will become 0, isn't it? X minus 1 is there. X minus 1 is 0. So x is 1. So a into 0 plus b into, again here 1 minus 1, it will become 0. Plus c into, here there is no x minus 1 term. So c into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1 square plus 1. Plus dx plus e into, we have 1 minus 1 there, so it will become 0. So we get 1 is equal to, everything will become 0, c into 1 into 2 into 2. So we'll get 1 is equal to 4c, therefore c is equal to 1 by 4. C is 1 by 4. So we got B, we got C. Anyhow, 3 more variables are left out, A, D, E and E. How to do that? What is the next substitution you can try? We put x is equal to 1, we put x is equal to minus 1. What is the next substitution you can try? Yes, Nandana. Is there any other linear factor? Aditya. Is there any other linear factor? Yes. Is there any other apart from x plus 1 and x minus 1? Look at there. Is there any other linear factor?
0.
0. Very good. X is there. Is that no? X is there. So x means what you can do? Put x as 0. Put x as 0. One more linear factor is there. So you put x as 0. So the next substitution is put x as 0. When you put x as 0, what about the first term? 1 is equal to, in the first term you will get 1 is equal to a into 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 into 0 square plus 1 plus b into 0, it will become 0 plus c into 0 plus dx plus e into 0. So everything will become 0. So we get 1 is equal to, a into 1 into minus 1 into 1. So that is 1 is equal to minus a. Therefore, a is minus 1. Okay. So in the given question, we had 3 linear factors. By assigning that value to 0, we got A, B and C. Again, D and E is left out. How to find D and E? How to find d and e? Once you find the constant, you'll be able to integrate it easily, children. Only the finding the constant is little bit difficult. Now what you can do? We want to find d and e. What we can do? What we can do? Okay, like the previous question, we can equate the coefficients. So I'm going to equating the coefficients of, if you take dx, here x, we'll get x raised to 4. I'm going to equate the coefficients of x raised to 4. I'm going to equate the coefficient of x raised to 4. You can equate x cube, you can equate x square, but finding x raised to 4 will be easy. So that is why I take x raised to 4. So if you take LHS, there is no x raised to 4 term. So 0 is equal to, if you take the first term, what will be the coefficient? X into x is x square into x square is x raised to 4. So you'll get 4a into x raised to 4. So the coefficient will be a. Is it clear, children? When you expand it, what you will get? X plus 1 into x minus 1 into x square plus 1. X into x square into x square, x raised to 4 into a. So the coefficient will be a. Look at the next term. X into x square into x square, x raised to 4. The coefficient is there, b. Plus, then if you take the c term, x into x to x square plus c. Then what about d? d into x. So plus d. So d we can write this as minus a minus b minus c. That is equivalent to. What is a? What is the value of a? b is 1 by 4. What is the value of a and c? Substitute it. Value of a is minus 1 and c is 1 by 4. A is minus 1. So we get minus of minus 1. So it will become plus 1 minus 1 by 4. So we get 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 means it is 1 by 2. So d value will be 1 by 2. Is it correct? Please check it, answer. Check it, children. D is 1 by 2. Next, it's not over. One more coefficient you have to find. E. What we can do? We can equate the constant terms. Equate the constant terms. Okay, so in equate the constant terms, what you will get? In equate the constant terms, what you will get? Look at there. If you take the first, okay, if you take the LHS, there we have 1. Okay, there we have 1. So we can write 1 is equal to, okay, look at the each term given here. If you take the first term here, x into x here. So 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1. You multiply only the constant terms. 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1, isn't it? So we'll get minus a. So we get minus a. 1 is equal to minus a. Then look at the second term. In second term, whether we will get constant. Look at the next term. Whether we'll get constant. Already x is there. So when you multiply it, it will become x square minus x into x square plus 1. Whether we'll be getting a constant term here. If you multiply with 1 with x, no constant term. Is there no? Here, again, if you open the c into x square plus x into x square plus 1. If you open this bracket, here also we will not get constant term. Here, is it possible to get a constant term? Suppose I equate the constant term, whether you will get the constant term. If you take ex is there, is there no? So, other side we are not getting the constant term, isn't it? So we get 1 is equal to, only one thing we get. What is the value we got there? 1 is equal to minus a. Look at here. Here also we are getting a is minus 1. So there is no use in equating constant term. So what is the next thing you can do? You equate coefficients of x cube. Okay, equating constant term we are not able to find. D, yeah, E. So equate coefficients of x cube. So if you take LHS, here there is no x cube term. So 0 is equal to, again here, what you will get? Here, how will you do this one? X cube term, x square into x. How to do this? X cube term, think time up. Children, we can do one thing. Okay, it's a lengthy question. Finding A, B, C, D is a, once you find E, integration, you can complete it easily. Okay, here, you equate the coefficient of x cube, or you can do it, you can equate the coefficient of x. That way also you can do. Equating the coefficient of x. You'll get the last constant. Then you substitute it and integrate it. After that, what you can do? Substitute it and try to integrate that one. Okay, one more period we have. That time, we'll be starting with the revision. Okay, this question, you try to complete it, or otherwise, once we do the start with the second term portions, that time again we have to start with partial fractions once again. Okay, so with this we stop. With this period we stop our second term portions. Okay, next period onwards we are going to. Okay, children. Okay, bye.